That's crazy. Ah, man. I had some moms for the summer, well, for the first month. My girlfriend's coming down June 22nd for her birthday and stuff. And then I'm going back down in June to get a job because I need a new one. But anywho, did you know it's been like 2 months since I reviewed something? The last review was the Clawzord, which you can probably see over there. That guy, the Clawzord. That was 2 months ago. Wow, it's been a while since I've done a review on anything. So I've been just like, I don't know what to review, man. I have nothing to review. Well, actually, I have shitloads of stuff to review. I'm just too damn lazy to. Let's take a look at the Samurai display over here and see all the shit that I haven't reviewed yet. Take a look-see-poo over here on the Samurai Megazord. I have him in Battle Wing formation, which means I now own Tiger, Swordfish, and Beetle. So I could review those three. Kevin, stand up. Thank you. Also own Shark Zord, so I could review him if I wanted to. Turn over here. You can see I own the Hydro Bow, which I could review. I don't want to. I have all the action figures I can review, I guess, up here. I don't think they're really important. I have the black box set I could review. I have the Bull Megazord that I could review. And the Octazord still on its way from California. California, that's really weird. California. Still on its way, so I have that to review whenever it gets here. I don't know what to review, dude. So much. I have Transformers I could review. I have the Nerf Raven to review. The Nerf Barricade. I gotta sneeze. Excuse me for a second. Bless me. I have the Nerf Proton. The Vortex Proton to review. Jesus, I have so much shit I have to review. I got these Mega Blocks dudes up here I can review on top of my mini fridge. I got these kittens down here that y'all can stare at while they're sleeping, which is pretty fun. Hey. Hey. Yeah, they're sleeping. So yeah, I don't know what to do. I don't know. So, that's that, pretty much. So, I don't know what to review. If you guys see anything down there in the box down there, tell me what you'd like to see reviewed most off of anything you've seen. Mainly off of the shelf over there. That'd be helpful because I'm too lazy. So, if I would like to know what you guys would like to see first, and then I'll work my way down of the shit I have to do. That'd be awesome. Look at my knees down here. No homo. I have this thing over here. It's a ninja dartboard hanging on my wall at the moment. Like, get over here and like throw little ninja stars at it. I have bubbles for some reason. I don't know how these got in here. Yeah, I like that. I found my entertainment for the next 20 minutes. But we'll go anywhere like this. Eh, all over my computer. No! I'm gonna wash this off. With my hat. Keep all sticky now. That wasn't my best idea. Well, yeah, that's that. So again, tell me what you guys like to see reviewed first, I guess. I have the black box set. I got the Hydro Bow. I also have one of the sword cycles over there, if you guys want to review that. I don't know why. But, the Bull Megazord. Over there, he's somewhere. Yeah, he's right. That guy, right there. Him. There. I got the Beetle, Swordfish, and Tiger Zords, and their combinations with the Samurai Megazord. Octazord still on his way. Hydro Bow, all that good stuff. And those are the newer versions of the Beetle, Tiger, and Swordfish. Because as you can see, they come with origami versions of themselves, as well as the figures with removable helmets. Yes, so. And all three of them, including the Shark Sword, came with that, so. Yeah. Plus there, so. Hopefully Octazord had the same thing. Yeah. So, tell me what you want. I don't know.